Here we want to show you how a Thai banana roti is getting prepared. You can get it with different fruit fillings. We ordered the mango-filled version. It is a very delicious dessert snack that looks like a pancake, but it is not. The taste is less sweet and also a bit salty. The ingredients and toppings make it taste slightly sweet.
Cancer mango.
Wir haben ja einige Vorkommen, was aber gar nicht so ausgenutzt haben und jetzt haben wir vielleicht diese. Ist ja schon fertig da.
Ja. Hả? Ông qua này.
Zum Glück ist nicht deine Schere.
Here is our delicious mango roti that is covered with chocolate. Now let's give it a try. It is very hot, so you need to be careful, otherwise you will burn your tongue easily.
Really good.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more daily videos.